What do you think, guys? Yes, I got done with the rear wheel just a couple minutes ago. I ball cutted the rear wheel. I did the sprocket a little bit. We double ball cutted here. I didn't want to do here and up in here because that's the seam of the wheel. I mean, yeah, that would have looked nice if I would have ball cutted here and then went all the way around here on that ledge, but that's the seam of the wheel, and I was kind of like, I had a really bad feeling is the wheel would separate. I would weaken the wheel and it would separate. But see, we ball cutted there, ball cutted around this edge. I'll turn her over. Ball cutted that side. So when this is turning, that's what you'll see when it's turning. Yeah, I know, if I would have did that edge there, but see this edge right here, that's where the seam of the, that's where the mold of the wheel is. That's where the seam is. I don't know, guys. I'll tell you what, man. I'm really tempted to do that, but I just have a bad feeling about doing that, and I think I'm gonna leave it alone. Trust me, the swing arm is gonna make up for it. I got the tool in for the swing arm. That's the tool you need. 080567 for the Gen 2 Busa. In order to get that off, that's what you need. I think this was like $52 free shipping. That's what that goes for. 52 bucks just to get that damn bolt off. But as you see, that side's done up. I did my rear sets up. I also did rear foot peg bracket. Now, in order to do that, I had to take it off. So I had to take my tail off because there was no other way of getting that off. And in order for me to properly ball cut it, I had to get it off. I had to take it off. So that's done. And when the other side's done, now what we're going to do is we're going to get some kind of a fancy bolt for in here. We got our brake pedal done up. Everything's ball cutted and engraved. Got our dash engraved, ball cutted. Let's take a walk over to the other side. Now here's my stator down here. The gasket is sitting in my mailbox right now. There's my slave cover. Since I put the heavy duty clutch barnett springs on, I had to have this as extra support to hold my cylinder in. And yeah, we got the other side. Come on over here, guys. I want to tell you something. I'm replacing these with a set of M4s. They're going to come up to about here. They're megaphone. They're black. I got a used set. They're a little scratched up. They're not dented, but they're scratched, so I'm going to have to repaint them. We'll take the names off. I might have to rebaffle them. I might have to repack the baffles. We'll check them out. And yeah, I got a set of M4s coming. They're going to come up to about right here and go down like that. We're going to replace these. And that's about it, guys. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see we got the body off on both sides, because we have to support the motorcycle on the headers underneath there, because I'm going to take the swing arm off, and we're going to bowl cut the entire swing arm, and we're going to engrave it. And I'm going to show you something else. Hold on. That is the same tattoo I have on my arm. We're going to cut this out, and we're going to make it a stencil. Let's get down here. We're going to put it right there. And it's going to be engraved into this pattern right here. What we'll do is we're going to make a border here, a ball cut, and then I'm going to engrave my Chinese calligraphy in here. And this is going to all get ball cut on the inside. It's going to get engraved on the inside. Everything's going to be ball cutted on both sides and engraved on both sides. That's why this has to come off. That's the only real way of doing that. Also, I started another club on Facebook. It's called Custom Hayabusas. Catch you there.